Hi folks, Tom from 112 Auto Sales. Today I'd like to show you some video on a 2005 Toyota Tundra. It's got 130,000 miles on it. It's gray with gray cloth interior, very clean, everything works, got beautiful tires on it. The best part about it, it's part of our in-house financing program known as Buy Here, Pay Here. So if you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. Super clean, everything works, air conditioning, heat. Great work truck. Really very clean, folks. Running boards are in good shape. Tires are like new. It's got a bed liner. Looks like it's new. It's the really clean Tundra. It's the SR5 model. We're here 7 days a week for you folks, so come on down. Ask for Nick, Tom, Paul, Doug. Any one of us will be happy to set you up on a test drive.